Hey friends, Zack Zettergren here with Zettergren Financial Group. Let's talk about risk. Did you know that those subjective questionnaires almost never hit the mark? That's because the old way of stereotyping investors with subjective semantics just doesn't cut it. I use something called the risk number, and it's based on a Nobel Prize winning framework. And guess what? Everyone has one. So what's your risk number? Keep watching this 2-minute video to learn about my process and how it can help you.
Did you know people are 2.5 times more concerned about avoiding losses than they are about achieving potential gains? It's one of the reasons people tend to sabotage their own investing, selling when they get scared, missing the recovery, and buying back in when the markets feel safe again. Instead of fighting against this force of human nature, what if we can harness it instead? That's why your advisor uses the world's first growth platform. It's cutting-edge technology built on top of a Nobel Prize-winning academic framework. It all starts with a risk number, a quantitative way to pinpoint how much risk you want, how much risk you need to take to reach your goals, and how much risk you actually have in your portfolios. And the results are powerful. So how does this work? First, we need to pinpoint how much risk you want. The old way, stereotyping clients based on their age, just doesn't work. Because everyone is different, you can reveal your risk number with our questionnaire, or use a discussion of portfolio risk to set a target. Once we have your risk number, it's easy to set up your portfolio. The risk number is used by thousands of advisors every day to show you how your portfolio is invested wrong and prove to you how to invest it right. Your advisor uses your portfolio's risk number and 95% probability range to set expectations for what is normal for your portfolio. And this starting point helps us understand that any 6-month result that falls within the range is right on track. This gives us permission to hang in there, even if the markets are volatile. In addition to this, we seamlessly stress test your portfolio and are able to illustrate it in different market timelines. We're able to see how the S&P 500 is a 75, and how if you're a 42, for example, it will never beat a 75 when the market is rising, but is much less exposed to losses when the market goes down. In between our meetings, we will routinely check in with 2 questions. How do you feel about the markets? And how are you feeling about your financial future? You can quickly answer these questions from any device with just 2 taps. After that, you'll see adaptive analytics explaining what's normal for your portfolio. Check-ins are just one of the many ways we engage with you to ensure you feel confident in your financial plan. You're going to love how we empower you to become a fearless investor. Let's get started today.